Welcome everyone. Here's a detailed tour of our Seascape Village and lunch at Samgy Garden visit just 2 weeks ago. This is located between Sofitel and the Manila Film Center in CCP Complex. Use in their parking lot at the front at the side of Manila Film Center if you have a car. And don't forget to have your ticket validated or you will pay a higher fee like about 300 pesos. Looking at the fountain lights, this place looks spectacular at night. Best time to visit is at sunset, but make sure to book weeks even to a month ahead with the restaurants because the sunset and dinner slots get fully booked very fast. We even booked 3 weeks ahead but only got lunch 1 p.m. slots this weekend of November. Like what we mentioned in our previous walking tour video last week, the place was impacted by pandemic lockdowns. There are a few restaurants that were able to reopen and I have not seen the marketplace for fresh seafoods. I think there's one at the restaurant upstairs, but we failed to check it since it was a hot sunny day when we arrived. I think we arrived about past 12 noon, so the sun is really shining brightly in this location that time. The open space facing the Bay Area is also a beautiful spot. I believe it can host some public events and serves as an extension of al fresco dining area by some of the restaurants. You will also notice on the right side is another building, which is the Sky Club, a cozy night spot frequented mostly by Chinese customers, but currently it's closed. We only spotted two restos, both al fresco in the bayside. Mazu, which is more of Asian food or seafood style of dining place, while Samgy Garden attempts to create an authentic Korean Sangyu corner, which we tried this episode. Okay, honest review for Samji Garden. Despite some of the negative feedbacks that we read in the social media accounts at the early days of their operations, things are improving for their reservations. We received text and call reminders confirming our slot few days before and an hour before we arrived. So it's very important, guys, for you to avoid walking in these types of venue to avoid the hassle. Food is great, servings are generous, and the staff were attentive to our requests. Price is affordable considering the ambience and the variety of meats they have. Just check their Instagram and Facebook page for the updated prices. As of our time of visit, last November 2021, its only pork set is 599 pesos. Only all meat plus seafood is 699 pesos. Only all meat plus seafood and wagyu is 849 pesos plus taxes and service charge. Overall, this is a great place to have dinner, especially if you want to make the moment special. But do make the effort to visit at sunset because it can get very hot in the afternoon. So that's it. Hopefully we can get to see this place sprawling with more business again in the new normal. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you again next time.